What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Today we are headed down just a country road and we're gonna stop at a lady's house that has bamboo.
Bamboo, she calls it cane, but I believe it's a type of bamboo. And I've drove past it for 6 or 7 years going out to get wood to the Amish, and I've always wanted to stop and ask her if I could cut some of it and see if the sheep are interested in eating it, because it stays green all winter long where we live. So if they do like it and they will eat it, then I'm gonna look into a spot in our pasture that's kind of low-lying. It stays wet anyway. It doesn't grow grass very good, but this type of bamboo or cane will grow great. So if that's the case, if they like it, we're gonna start growing it.
So we're gonna head down here and cut some and bring it back to our sheep to see if they like it. And if so, I think we're gonna dig up a patch. She said that we could do that and bring it down here and plant it. And then we're gonna head down to our local Amish and grab some eggs. As you know, if you're following along, we only have the one hen, Penelope, and she doesn't produce enough eggs for our family. We do have our egg layers ordered, and they're supposed to be here next week.
They'll be here Monday.
Monday, okay. So until then, we get our eggs from the local Amish, and then we're gonna hit another Amish place that has a bunch of plants. We're gonna go check them out while we're out and about. So we thought we would just take you along with us.
All this right here. So this is what I was talking about. This is a big patch of, I mean, see, it looks like it's bamboo, but they call it cane. So they make, like, around here where we live, they make cane poles out of these. They cut these down and they let them dry and make like bank poles. So anyway, we're gonna cut some of this down, and then I'm gonna dig up some of the roots. Like, see these right here? These are starts. So I'm gonna dig some of these starts up right here with a little shovel and take back with us, and I'm gonna plant them in a pot and get them growing. Actually, I could probably just stick them straight in the ground, but all right, let's cut some down. That'll be enough just to see if the sheep like it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
You don't need a lot.
I don't want to give them a lot of something new anyway, huh?
Right. Anybody that raises sheep, comment down below. Have you ever tried feeding them any species of bamboo or cane? Like I said, the reason I've been thinking about doing this is because in the wintertime, when I'm driving past here all the time to go get firewood, it's green all winter long. So if it won't be like a primary food source, but if we have a little bit of something green we can cut down and give to them throughout the winter, that'd be awesome. All right, I'm gonna dig up. Man. Oh yeah. See that? See that root? So she said that these will produce like what are called runners. Man, that's hard stuff.
Well, hello. Hi there.
Hi, kitty. Man. Looks just like it underground. It looks like underground exactly what it looks like above ground.
Does it go all the way to that other one?
Yeah.
Like, are they attached?
Yeah.
Okay.
She said that then these roots go out and then off these little things here.
Yeah.
And they'll pop up what are
And they'll
called
produce-
runners.
Okay.
They'll produce another one.
It's interesting.
So yeah, these plants put out what are called runners, and underground looks just like the adult plant. It looks like pieces of bamboo with little the little knuckles or whatever got roots coming off of them. You plant that, and it'll just, I guess it can get invasive. So
We probably don't need too many.
yeah, probably not. But if the sheep like it, they'll keep it eaten down. So
Yeah.
I'm not too worried about it.
Is this called invasive?
Yeah, I'd say so. Look how tall it is.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
super
it's,
tall.
You know, 16 foot tall probably. So you just go in there and cut them big ones down, feed it to the sheep, and keep it thinned out, you know?
Then we'll have to think of something fun to do with the bait, like the sticks.
Yeah. Crafty art projects with D. All right. Let's get all this for the truck.
All right, we're making our last stop before we head back home. We went to Hedgewood Acres, and they have grown so much in the last 4 years since we've been going there. It looks so good out there. But
Yeah, it's an Amish family. They grow vegetable starts and tons of flowers, and they sell soil, they sell fruit trees, and we bought some thornless blackberry bushes to add to the patch that we already have.
yep. I'd actually bought some soil from him when I was there, and I paid for it, and I was leaving, and then I went and grabbed some more strawberry starts to add to our strawberry patch, and he said, oh, just pay me later. So we were headed out there to settle up, and we came home with a lot more goodies.
But obviously, out of respect, we didn't film any of that. The Amish community, I don't really know how they feel about.
Yeah, they don't like pictures. And
Yeah, they don't like pictures and videos and stuff. So
we're at the second Amish family, and this is where we get our eggs, we get our raw milk, and our butter from here. So sharing the love with all the different families, supporting them all.
this family is where we bought the original sheep that started our herd with.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, it's a cool place. They got a little stand out by the road. Their kids work it every day, sell fresh produce and baked goods and canned stuff, stuff that they can and jar. It's pretty neat.
Yep. So we're just waiting on her to get our stuff out.
So when we come get the eggs, you know, we're used to hurry, fast, rush, pace, everything's now. And they're inside right now. We'll be sitting here for 5 minutes because they'll be in there hand washing the eggs that they just got out of their coop. And but the wait's worth it.
All right. Better shut her down before they come out. All right, we got the goods. Oh, about broke it.
Don't do that. Lord. Alright, we made it back home. Got some of this bamboo that we cut. Let's go see if the sheep are interested. That's the coolest invention ever made.
Lola, you coming, girl?
Come on, Lo. Come here. What do you think? They're all involved. Daddy sheep.
That's it?
They're not crazy about it.
Huh.
My thoughts are the pasture's growing real good right now, and they have like all of their favorite stuff to eat right now. Half of the herd's over there laying down right now, so they've probably been eating and they're full. My thoughts are though, in the wintertime, if that's the only green thing available, they'll love it. But I am kind of disappointed.
Well, stay tuned.
We'll check back on that pile in the morning and see what it looks like. Somebody needs to mow and weed eat.
Yeah, we have a strawberry patch right in the middle of all this. And asparagus patch in the middle of all that.
I'm gonna get on the mower right now.
Alright, and then our blackberry. Thornless blackberries are all right there in the line, so we're gonna add to them. We're
We
just
got
gonna...
4 new ones.
Yep.
Oh, and I gotta watch out. Right there.
Oh yeah, we planted 4 elderberry bushes, right?
Yep.
4?
Yep.
So, definitely need to do some trimming and maintenance out here. Yeah, be careful, don't mow those down. Let's see. Where's it at?
Here's a good one right here.
Oh.
It's greening up nice.
Yep. So we're gonna mow all this down
Can we
around
make
it.
some cages to put around them or something?
I don't know. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll keep you posted on the bamboo and the sheep. We got a lot going on. We're getting ready to head out in a couple weeks to Missouri to the Spring Festival, the Homesteading Life Conference, where I'll be speaking on microgreens, and we will be set up as a vendor, and we're gonna have all of our grow kits and seeds and produce knives and all the good things. We're gonna roll out the Little Bros Micros, and I've been working on something very, very special.
Yes, she has.
So we are waiting for the print company to get back with us. So I can't wait to share about that. Should we let them know or keep it a secret for now?
I think let them know.
Let them know?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you guys are new here, I'm a microgreens farmer, and like I said, you should check out our online store, barefootmicrogreens.com. We have grow kits, we have microgreen seeds, we have a produce knife, all things microgreens, and I love everything about what the microgreens business has done for me and our family. It literally brought me home and has allowed me to work from home and be with my family, which is where I need to be. And I'm so passionate about what it has done for me that I would love to inspire and help others start their own microgreens business. So, drum roll. So I've spent several hours working on a kind of like a book, a microgreens.
Start your business.
Start your business with microgreens.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start with this book and really help people just get started on the business side of it, you know, the more yucky side of it, and then just kind of help them. It's a step-by-step little book for them to get started. And then I would love to expand on that and be able to offer an online course of some sort. I'm still working on that and thinking about different ideas for that. But I would also love to have allow you guys to have me a one-on-one Q&A for any questions that you might have after you go through the book. And so I'm offering consultations that goes along with the purchase of the book. And then I would absolutely love to continue that service for people that just need a little encouragement, need help, and need some support along the way, because it's definitely something that I had. And you know, if you're lacking that support and that confidence, or you know, just needing help, I would love to be that person for you guys. So a lot to come here in the future, near future, I hope. I'll be rolling that out at the Homesteading Life Conference, the Spring Festival. We're going to be bringing the books there and see how it goes. So I'm pretty excited about that.
I think she's being kind of modest. She said she spent a few hours and put a little book together. She spent days and days and days.
Late nights.
It's between 40 and 50 page book that's very detailed on, like she said, all the things you need to start your own microgreens business.
Yeah. So we've been super busy getting ready for the conference, and like I said, it's coming up in 2 weeks. And as soon as we get back, we're definitely going to focus out here in our garden and get things going. We've got things going. It just takes time.
It's going good.
It's going really
I mean,
good.
all the root vegetables are in. They're doing great.
We just got a lot of things that we want to add. We are being smart this year. And only planting, we only have time to plant the things that we eat. We're not going to just try 50,000 different tomato plants just because. So yeah. We're really just planting the things that we know we love and that we eat, and know that we have time to take care of them. But so far, everything's going good out here.
Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. Remember, subscribe to the channel. We're getting really close to 2,000 subscribers. That would be super awesome to hit that 2,000 mark. And remember to like our videos and share them with your friends. Bye.
See you later.